Today we're going to open the Cheerson CX-10A. This is a small drone. I think it's supposed to be one of the smallest ones around. We'll see. Here's the box that came in. It says it's 4 channels. Let's open it up. There's the drone, the on, off, and all. There's your charging cable, USB port, and there's your transmitter. On, off, trim buttons. See what it takes. 2 AAA batteries. Okay, there's all your parts. Let's see if we can charge this and fly it a little bit. Plugs in right there above the on-off switch. Just like that. You want to be sure your drone's off before you charge it. Okay, we plugged it in. See the light on the USB port there is lit. That means it's charging. Oop, the light went out. It's ready to fly. Okay, turn your switch on. See the red light's flashing. Turn your transmitter on. It flashes. Push that left throttle down, up, down. See how everything quit flashing? Even on the drone, they are paired and ready to fly. Let's do a little trim adjustments on it here. Oh, it goes to the back, so we need to hit the trim to the front. A little bit to the back and to the right, so trim it forward and left. A little bit to the back, let's trim it to the front just a little more. By the way, the red lights are back and the blue lights are front. There's a little flight. Alright, let's do some flying now. Now, I'm not very good at this, so this is my first flight. Alright. Whoop. Well, kind of a rough landing there, wasn't it? Try it again. Whoop. I'm not very good on the landing, am I? Also not very good on flying it yet either. It'll take a little while. Boom. Whoops. Hit the stove. Crash and burn. We got more of these coming. Stay with us.